Hi, I'm Donald. Yes, this is, to understand the TRS jack with the TRS, and you can just salvage any old one to use a multimeter to check it out. Now, I wanted to do this because we want to do a live on Facebook, and there was no jacks available in the market, and so we had to source. We couldn't source one to do this. So the output from our mixer had to be fed on to the mobile phone, and so I devised this particular method to do it. So what you can do here is, you can take any old headphones and split the part which actually contains the microphone. It's very easy to do that. Once you split it open, you can see there is a mic connection, condenser mic, which is within that, and use a soldering iron and a pump to desolder the mic connection, and you can remove the PCB up and take away the condenser mic. Be very gentle about doing this because most of the wires and the PCB is very delicate, so you might damage if you are using too much force. Now check using a multimeter, check the continuity of the connection, which you have desoldered, and to confirm the connection. Now use old old earphones. You could get this small shield wires, and you can use a shield wire or any flat wires, but you should be sure to know the ground connection. The shield should go to the ground common. Okay, once you understand the continuity and the connection, then use a iron and carefully solder the shield and the line to the mic. Once you are confirmed doing it, you can check using the multimeter once again from the TRRS pin to the wire. Once that is established, you are through. That means your connection is through. You can put back the cover and use an insulation tape to insulate and seal it. That will be good. And once you have done that, the next part is actually, this is the part where you use a network, small network. Use 10K resistors, 10 kilo ohm resistors, which can be twined together at one end, which goes to the mic connection, and the other separate ends goes to the line which is coming, which we have already made. This is a TRS socket which is already done earlier using a stereo shield wire, and since it's a socket, you can connect any device to that. So use the open end of the resistors to be connected to the shield wires, and solder them. I have just shown very rough way of doing this, and because this was done just for getting our work for the job, because we have already ordered for available TRS sockets which are in the market. This can be done by anybody who's an enthusiast who wishes to actually do video recording to YouTube. And, so in case you're using a microphone, you don't require doing this network. You can connect a socket at this end to which a microphone can be connected, and which you can directly record separately rather than from the mobile phone microphone. So this network is to reduce the voltage and match the impedance, because the mic input is very sensitive, so you can reduce the sensitivity of the mic. It might not be good for the mobile phone. So once you have done that, you can solder and insulate, and make sure that the joint ends be connected to the line which we have already taken out earlier. And once that is done, that means your connection is almost done. This is a combination of, from the socket I can give it to RCA socket, or for an headphone connection, or for other things. So thank you. I think this would have helped you.